Hello friends, today's the name of the reaction is a Baeyer-Villiger oxidation or also called Baeyer-Villiger rearrangement reaction. What is the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction is a conversion or insertion of a oxygen to ketone. If the oxygen is inserted to the ketone, then that gets converted into ester. Here, conversion of ketone to ester in presence of very important one that we call as a per acids are also called as the peroxy acids. Majority of the cases the peroxy acids are here. First one is a example is a here CH3CO3H. COOH is called as acetic acid. CO3H that we call as a peracetic acid. It may be given as a peracetic acid. It is called as a PAA. Second one is a trifluoroperacetic acid is given. It is trifluoroperacetic acid, that is represented by TFPA. Any of the per acid, majority cases more than 90%. Next one is a perbenzoic acid. Here is a CO3H is given. Peroxybenzoic acid, it is represented as a PBA. And the fourth one is a here very important one. Here is the CO3H that we call as a benzoic acid. At the meta position, if the electron withdrawing group is present, that we call as a metachloroperbenzoic acid. Very important one, MCPBA. And another oxygen insertion groups are permonosulfuric acid, that is also called as a Caros acid. Very rarely we use hydrogen peroxide is also, means the insertion of the oxygen can be takes place in presence of any one of such kind of the per acids. Now the Baeyer-Villiger equation, here is a ketone in presence of per acid and the solvent is given as a dichloromethane, forms ester and acid. What I said, here we need to insert the oxygen atom here or here. Both the, if R and R is the symmetrical groups, then doesn't makes any problem from which side the oxygen is going to add or which side undergoes rearrangement. That the rearrangement is depending on the migrating ability of the bonded group only. Here is the symmetrical. Let us imagine the oxygen is inserted here, ketone is gets converted into ester and per acid is gets converted into acid. Why not aldehydes? Means aldehydes is easily oxidized to form the carboxylic acid, whereas the ketones are not gets oxidized easily. Hence the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction is an important one. Now what kind of the mechanism that is taking place in the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation is a RC double bond O R dash. Here is a ester is given, or RC double bond O R or OH is given. Now what will happen? Here is RCOOH is given, where which can ready to donate the H plus ion. Here the oxygen containing the more electron density which ready to accept the proton, and here gets converted into RC double bond OH. Oxygen lost its electron, carries the positive charge. This side is a R dash is present. Now OC double bond O and R is there. Now it is a O minus. Hence it is acting as a nucleophile. Hence nucleophilic addition reaction will take place. Then what the formed one? RCOH. Here is a R dash is present. New bond is established between carbon and oxygen. OC double bond OR. Now which undergoes intramolecular rearrangement. As a result of the intramolecular rearrangement, if this lone pair is given this side, here is a electrons are moving this side and this bond is broken. Hence RC, here is a double bond OH, oxygen lost its electron, it gets positive charge and this bond is broken. O and R dash, remaining part is a R C double bond O negative is given. O negative attracted the proton. As a result, if these electrons are given this side, hence the formed one is a R C double bond O R dash. What the formed one is a ester, and the remaining is a RCOOH carboxylic acid is a formed one, which is the intramolecular rearrangement will takes place. Here is a very important thing that must we need to remind in the Baeyer-Williger oxidation, the migrating aptitude of the, if unsymmetrical ketones are given, migrating aptitude or migrating ability plays an important role. If the isotopes of the hydrogen is given like this, tertiary cyclohexyl, secondary benzyl and phenyl almost equal migrating ability, primary cyclopropyl and methyl is the last one. Let us discuss certain examples which under Baeyer-Williger oxidation. Here the both the side is a symmetrical ketone is given. In such cases the insertion of the oxygen will takes place from either the direction, hence it doesn't make any problem. Methyl acetate is a formed product, whether this side or this side doesn't make any problem. But whereas in the case of here, one side is a ethyl, another side is a methyl is given. In such cases, the secondary that is a more having a aptitude of the migration, hence what should be the formed product is a CH3 C double bond O C2H5. This one is a major and the minor becomes C2H5 C double bond O OCH3. This is the methyl propanoate and ethyl ethanoate. Is the major product is this one and the minor product is this one, because of the migrating aptitude of the ethyl group is more than compared with the methyl group according to the migrating ability. Whereas the cyclopentanone is given, it is also symmetrical ketone is given, hence the formed one. Here is a 5-membered ring is present. Now one more oxygen atom. As a result, here then the formed one is a lactones are forming cyclic esters. Here is a both the side is a symmetrical is given. When either the direction, it doesn't make any problem to add the insertion of the oxygen group. Like this is the certain examples. Now here is the benzaldehyde is given. Aldehyde, the migrating ability of the hydrogen is greater than the phenyl group. Just now we observed the condition. As a result, pH C double bond OH is the formed one. Here is also the hydrogen having the more migrating ability, means undergoes rearrangement, hence that is gets. Next, here is one is the aromatic ring is given, another is a diketone is given. As a result, now the number that is increases in the carbon chain. Here one the nitro NO2 group is attached to the para position, that is electron withdrawing group. The hydrogen is having more migrating aptitude. Here at the para position NO2 and the C double bond O and H. Here is a methyl group is given and the cyclopropyl is given. Which side the insertion of the oxygen will takes place in the presence of MCPBA. We know well that the cyclopropyl migrating ability is more than compared with the methyl, and that side the major product, the insertion of the oxygen will takes place. Here is the electron withdrawing group is there and the diphenyl ketone is given. Electron withdrawing group and the major product, the oxygen insertion will takes place from the non-substituted phenyl ring. Here is a this side is a tertiary carbon atom is given, this side is a primary or the methyl is given. We know when the tertiary is more having migrating ability, hence that side the insertion of the oxygen will takes place. That is only the major product. Another will is also formed, but that is very less. Here is a bicyclic compound is given. The insertion of the oxygen will takes place this side, because of here is a tertiary carbon or 1, 2, 3, 4 quaternary carbon atom is there. Here is a 1 and 2 secondary carbon atom is there. That's what this side is a oxygen will get to substitute.